Hey guys, before I start this video, in the scene, if you see red stuff, that's okay. So, if you see blood in this, it's not actually real blood. It's just ketchup. So, enjoy the video, everybody. Last time on Sunboom Adventures. Oh my God, my Megasonic, hurry up! I'm sick and tired of you being so goddamn slow! You know what, sir?
I'm tired of you.
What? You didn't actually make me into a robot. I'm actually a real person. So I'm gonna kill you. Once and for all. Huh? Oh, no. He's gone now. He's finally gone. Time for me to teach these those heroes a lesson. Time for me to be the new villain around here. Oh yeah, what's Sonic? Oh man, where's Scar? Wait, what the? Oh my God! Oh no, what the frick happened? Looks like he got stabbed. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Ugh. Okay, he's covered in blood. Oh God, why? Ew. Maybe I can heal him and turn him into a hero. Oh my God. God. Where's Amy? I gotta call Amy. Amy. I have my own phone watch. Amy. Yes? Can you come over and, we have a little situation. Our villain Scar got killed. Can you do something about it? Sure, I'll be right over. Okay. See you soon. Bye. Bye. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Where is she? I'm here. Still haven't got my voice actor yet. Just gotta wait until the 8th episode, I think so. So what's going on? Scar got killed and we know what to do. Well, I can help. Thanks, Amy. Thanks. He's right over there. Alrighty then. Stay right here, okay? Oh my God. Oh God. Let's see. Oh my God. Wait, is that blood over there? Looks like he got stabbed by that thing? By a tool. Oh, so that's where he got stabbed by. Get stabbed. Okay, I'll go get him. Oh, there he is. Oh God, it's disgusting. But I think I can fix him. First we had to wash him up. Then we have to use one of the emeralds to turn him back to life. Thanks, Amy. Thanks. No problem. So now what? I don't know. Let's go inside. Okay. Are you gonna open the door? Sure thing. And it's about to rain too, so. Okay. Till next time on Sunboom Adventures.